India has the 10th largest cultivable land resource in the world, with 20 agri-climatic regions. All the 15 major climates in the world exist in India. The country also has 46 of the 60 soil types in the world. India is the largest producer of spices, pulses, milk, tea, cashew, and jute, and the second largest producer of wheat, rice, fruits and vegetables, sugarcane, cotton, and oil seeds. Further, India is second in the global production of fruits and vegetables and is the largest producer of mango and banana. Over to an overview of Indian agricultural sector today. Globally, as already said, India is the largest producer of spices, pulses, milk, tea, cashew and jute, and the second largest producer of wheat, rice, fruits and vegetables, sugarcane, cotton and oil seeds. India is currently the world's fourth largest producer of agrochemicals. India had the largest livestock population of around 5.8 million, which translated to around 31% of the world's livestock population in 2019. India has the 10th largest arable land resource in the world. With 20 agri-climatic regions, all 15 major climates in the world exist in India. The country also possesses 46 of the 60 soil types in the world. Growth in gross value added (GVA) by agriculture and allied sectors stood at 4% in 2019-20. Strategic geographic location and proximity to food importing nations favor India in terms of exporting processed foods. Farm mechanization. India is among the largest manufacturers of farm equipment like tractors, harvesters, and tillers. India accounts for nearly one-third of the overall tractor production globally. Sale of tractors in the country stood at 804,000 units in 2019, with export of 80,475 units. Consumption expenditure. Consumer spending in India is likely to reach $3.6 trillion by 2020. Private consumption expenditure at constant prices was estimated at rupees 83.25 lakh crore, that is $1.8 trillion in financial year 20, against rupees 79.08 lakh crore, that is $1.12 trillion in financial year 19. Record food production. During 2019-20 crop year, food grade production was estimated to reach a record 295.67 million tons. In 2020-21, Government of India is targeting food grain production of 298 million tons. Agriculture growth. Agriculture is the primary source of livelihood of about 58% of India's population. Gross value added by agriculture, forestry and fishing was estimated at rupees 19.48 trillion, that is $276.37 billion in financial year 20. Agriculture and allied sectors GVA grew at CAGR of 4.80 between financial year 16-20. As per Union Budget 2021, allocation of rupees 2.83 lakh crore, $40.06 billion was made to the Ministry of Agriculture. Agriculture, forestry and fishing sector grew at 4% during 29-20. Essential agriculture commodities export April-September 20 increased by 43% to rupees 53,626 crores, that is $7.3 billion over rupees 37,397 crore, that is $5.1 billion in the same period last year. Graph depicting the gross value added by agriculture and allied sectors in US dollars billion at constant 2011-12 prices. You can see that in financial year 16, it was 283.4, which grew at a CAGR of 3.80 to touch 320.5 in financial year 20. Major seasons, Kharif and Rabi. There are two major agricultural seasons in India, Kharif and Rabi. Kharif season lasts from April to September, summer. Rice or paddy is the main crop. Rabi season lasts from October to March. Winter, wheat is the main crop. Total area sown with Kharif crop reached 110 million hectares by the end of September 2020. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has pegged the food grain output for Kharif 2021 season at 144.5 million tons. The graph depicts the area sown in 2019-20 million hectares. Wheat occupies the major chunk, 33.6, followed by pulses, which is 16.1. The graph depicts the Kharif area sown in 2021 million hectares. Rice is the major crop, that is 26.7 million hectares, followed by wheat, 11.2 million hectares. Increasing production. Since 2010, production as well as yield of both major crops, rice and wheat, have increased significantly. As per the third advanced estimates, production of rice was estimated at record 117.94 million tons, while production of wheat was estimated at 107.18 million tons during 2019-20 crop year. India ranks second in global production of fruits and vegetables and is a leading exporter of mangoes and bananas. Production of horticulture crops in India reached a record 320.5 million metric tons in 2019-20, growing at a CAGR of 3.13% during financial year 16-20. The graph depicts India's horticultural production. You can notice that in financial year 16 it was 283.4, which grew at a CAGR of 3.80% to reach 320.5 by financial year 20. Increase in demand of Indian agricultural products. Total agricultural export from India grew at a CAGR of 2.27% during financial year 16-20 to reach $35.09 billion in financial year 20. India can be among the top 5 exporters of agro-commodities by shifting its focus on cultivation and effectively hand-holding farmers, says WTC. The Agriculture Export Policy 2018 was approved by the Government of India in December 2018. The new policy aimed to increase India's agricultural export to $60 billion by 2022 and $100 billion in the next few years with a stable trade policy regime. The Government of India has come out with the Transport and Marketing Assistance (TMA) scheme to provide financial assistance for transport and marketing of agricultural products in order to boost agricultural export. Government aims to raise fishery export from India to ₹1 lakh crore, that is $14.31 billion by 24-25. Graphical depiction of agriculture export from India in billion $. Agriculture export from India, which was 32.08 in financial year 16, have reached 35.09 during financial year 20, showing a CAGR of 2.27%. Marine products, buffalo meat and rice are the largest agriculture export items in terms of value. Other major export items are spices, cotton, oil products and sugar. Marine products export reached $6.7 billion, followed by basmati rice at $4.4 billion and buffalo meat at $3.2 million in financial year 20. During financial year 20, tea exports stood at $826.47 million and coffee exports stood at $742.05 million. India's spices export increased by 23% to rupees 2690 crore, that is $359 million in June 2020, from rupees 2190 crore, $292 million in the same month last year. Graphical depiction of agriculture export from India in billion $. The graph clearly demarcates financial year 2020 and financial year 2019. To be continued in the next session, session 6 of series on trends in agriculture sector. Team Krishi Sanjeevani.